Welcome to the Billionaires, the place where we talk about billionaires, their life stories, their journeys, interesting incidents about their life, and some facts about them that you are not going to find anywhere else in the internet. Today, we are going to talk about 4 interesting facts about Jeff Bezos and Amazon. How a math error started Amazon. First of many loopholes that Jeff Bezos found in the system that made the Amazon the company it is today. The side effect of being such a visionary and how the idea of Amazon Prime originated. There is a special announcement at the last of the video, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Number 1. A math error that started Amazon. It was early 1994. Jeff Bezos was having a normal discussion with D. Shaw. D. Shaw was the founder of the firm Bezos was working for. They used to have talk about the future business ideas. There they talk about an internet company that served as a mediator between customer and a manufacturer and sold nearly everything everywhere. It was called the Everything Store. This was the first idea of Amazon that we know today. Bezos was intrigued by D. Shaw's inevitable importance of the internet and started researching on it. The data that kicked him out of suspicion was between January 1993 and January 1994. Web activity overall had gone on by 23%. But later he realized the data was wrong. Between January 1993 and January 1994, the web activity has gone by 2300 times or 230,000%. Make it simpler, the highest that Bitcoin has ever gone was before its last fall, and in that year it had rose up by 2400% or 24 times. Number 2. Sorry, we are out of Lichen books. In its early period, Amazon had no inventory. When the customer bought a book, they would order it. When the book arrives, ship it to the customer. But there was one challenge. Book distributor required retailers to buy at least 10 books at a time. Amazon didn't have that sales volume at the time. But then he found a loophole. This loophole was one of many loopholes that Jeff Bezos was going to find that helped him make the Amazon the company that it is today. You don't have to receive 10 books. You only have to order 10 books at a time. They found a book about lichens that book distributor had in their systems but was out of stock. So when anybody ordered a book, they started ordering the book and 9 copies of the lichen book. They would ship out the book they needed and a note. Sorry, we are out of lichen book. Number 3. Fever dreams. Jeff Bezos, an inventor, an entrepreneur, and also a far-sighted person. But what all of them miss are some of his bizarre ideas that employees started calling fever dreams. One of them was the Alexandria project or the Noah's Ark. If you don't know, then Alexandria is the largest library ever made by the human. And if you want me to make a video on that, just comment Alexandria. The idea was to obtain 2 copies of every book ever printed and store them in a distribution center. The idea was expensive and inefficient. Most books would just sit there gathering dust. How many of us are reading the book that was written 100 years ago? Another was Project Fargo. Bezos wanted to obtain one of every product ever manufactured and store it in a distribution center. Both the projects faded away. Number 4. Value trumps everything. In early 2001, Jeff Bezos met James Sinegal. James Sinegal is the co-founder and then CEO of Costco. Sinegal explains that Costco buys everything in bulk and marks up everything at a standard 14%. Even though it could sell it for more, it earns most of the profit from annual membership fees. People may not like it initially, but when they see they are getting a television set for $200 less than anywhere else, they will take the membership, which will make them a loyal customer. This makes vendors do business with them because they now have a large volume and a great form of distribution. If you give value to the people, they will keep coming. Value trumps everything. This idea became a core concept for Amazon Prime services. But its first trial was done by Bezos on that July when Amazon announced it was cutting price of books, music and videos by 20 to 30%. Now, the time for a special announcement. Do you know that the biological father of Jeff Bezos didn't know where Bezos was till 2012? FYI, at that time, Bezos was 12th richest person of USA. If you want to know more about him, then click the like button and subscribe to the channel. The moment we get 100 likes or 10 subscribers from this video, we are going to make a video about that. Thanks for watching.